He escaped the most serious charges against him because of a paperwork error by the Rensselaer County District Attorney's office. But an accused rapist is not entirely off the hook. 23-year-old John Halacy is free from jail after felony charges were dropped. However, he appeared to answer to other charges today. Matt Markham was in Rensselaer City Court for that appearance, along with one alleged victim's family. Matt?
Well, good evening, Jerry. John Halacy is free, but now charged with endangering the welfare of a child, unlawful imprisonment, and attempted rape. They're all misdemeanors. He was arrested in February for the alleged rapes of a 13- and 14-year-old girl. The family of one of the victims says they live right down the street from Halacy. We're not showing their faces to the public to protect their identities, but they say if they can't get the justice they were looking for in court, they're hoping they can get it another way.
John? I have violent thoughts towards him. I wish him nothing but, a slow, painful death, and I hope he rots in hell.
The judge even said it wasn't her fault John Halacy was in her courtroom, but she wasn't happy about it either. It was only after ADA Laura Kruegler and the Rensselaer County District Attorney's office failed to file the proper paperwork at the proper time, and felony charges, including rape, ended up as far fewer misdemeanors, one among them attempted rape. One of the alleged victim's mothers spoke to us outside court.
I couldn't take my eyes off of him. He makes me sick to my stomach. I can't believe that he's out on the streets with a slap on the wrist, and it's going to happen again.
The defendant said nothing. His attorney spoke for him. Would you have anything to say to the victim's parents to convince them that their kids are all right with you out?
John pled not guilty today. That's all John has to say.
ADA Kruegler was nowhere to be found after the court appearance.
I don't see how anybody could have faith in our justice system. Things like this will continue to happen. It was such a minor detail that let this man walk free, and he doesn't even have to register as a sex offender.
We then went to the district attorney's office in Troy to give someone there a chance to speak about the, quote, foul-up to which it admitted. DA Richard McNally would not go on camera, but told me he was truly sorry and that the error will be addressed. Still, Kruegler remains on the job, and her office is looking at the possibility of finding other charges to present to Halacy. Until his next court appearance, a mother worries about protecting her daughter and letting everyone know the man accused of raping her is free.
She's terrified to see him. My older son ran into him at our local convenience store already. And so we will be running into him, and, there's just nothing anybody can do. So hopefully, like everybody's saying, street justice will prevail.
December 11th, Mr. Halacy returns to court. He must also adhere to 3 orders of protection in the meantime. We'll have a lot more on this story coming up at 6 o'clock. Liz?
All right, Matt Markham reporting for us. Thank you.